Brain Vex is marketed as a supplement that boosts focus, mental clarity, and cognitive performance. But the real question is whether it actually works or just sounds good on paper. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely made up. Brain supplements, often called nootropics, can include ingredients like caffeine, L-theanine, or herbal extracts that may support alertness and concentration. So the concept itself is real. However, here's the key point. Results depend heavily on what's actually inside and how your body responds to it. What it actually does well. Potential short-term focus boost. If it contains stimulants or common nootropic ingredients, you may feel more alert and mentally sharp for a few hours. Convenience. It's an easy, all-in-one formula compared to managing multiple supplements or habits like sleep and diet, where it falls short. Inconsistent effectiveness. Not everyone responds the same way. Some people feel noticeable focus. Others feel almost nothing. Temporary effects. Even if it works, the boost is usually short-term, not a permanent improvement in brain function. Ingredient transparency concerns. If the formula isn't clearly dosed or uses proprietary blends, it's hard to know how effective it really is. So, does it actually enhance your focus? Short answer, sometimes, but don't expect miracles. If you're already lacking sleep, overloaded, or distracted by habits, this won't fix the root problem. It may give you a slight edge, but it's not a substitute for discipline or good routines. Bottom line, Brain Vex isn't necessarily a scam, but it's also not a guaranteed focus solution. It can help in the short term for some people, but real, consistent focus still comes from habits, not just supplements. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.